I'm going to take this egg for cooking. Yeah. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, it's 10 eggs. So I'm going to take all of this egg to cooking. Yeah, so let me cook, everyone. Let's go. Everyone, we clean it before we take all of this egg to cook. So let me clean it. Now I already cleaned it and I take it from the water and then I'm going to cook it. Cook with me, everyone. So let me cook. We put it on this. We had 8. We had 10 eggs. We put it in the water. Then we wait maybe 20 minutes. We can eat. So now we can close the fire. Yeah. And then I think it's already cooked. So we get the egg from the water. So now we take the outside of the egg like this. Wow, everyone, the inside of it is so red. Maybe it's yummy or not, everyone. So wait for my eating. So now we already take the outside of the egg. And everyone, look at our chili sauce, everyone. So I'm going to merge this chili sauce with this egg. It looks like so yummy, everyone. So I'm going to merge it together now. We put the chili sauce on the egg like this. Like this. Everyone, it looks like so yummy. So it's yummy or not? Wait for my eating. Then we merge like this. Merge. It's so red, everyone. Wow. I can't wait of eating it. So let me eat. It tastes really good, everyone, and it is so yummy too. Wow. so delicious. At all, everyone. Wow. It is enough for me and at all age to eat. So now let me say goodbye everyone. See you for the next video. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.